watching. Today I'm going to be sharing my favorites, which are my favorite videos to film. So let's get into it. So I traveled a lot in the summer with my family, and I just let my hair just get kind of crusty and kind of, you know how like the sun kind of bleaches your hair in a way? And I like my hair all the way black. When I tell you I feel my most prettiest when my hair is like the blackest of black, like I mean it. The day after I color my hair, the day of, nobody can tell me nothing. It's like, oh really? Okay, well, you can't take my shine away from me because I have the blackest of black hair. I have my dream black hair. That's just how I feel. Like I've always loved having black hair. And for the past 11 years, I've been using E-salon. So I'm so honored that they're sponsoring me. So thank you so much, E-salon. So I colored my hair after, you know, all the summer travels and my hair getting bleached and stuff like that. And I feel brand new. So if you guys are not familiar with E-salon, y'all, let me show an old clip of what I looked like 11 years ago. But I am definitely a true fan of E-salon.com, and I will definitely continue to color my hair. I look so different, but that's because I was 11 years younger. I used to wear like those colored contacts that make my eyes look a lot bigger. I also had Invisalign at the time when I was like in the videos. Anyways, E-salon has been in my life for the past 11 years, and if you're not familiar, you probably are if you watch my videos, but it's a hair coloring kit. It's a made-to-order, salon quality hair coloring kit. You take a quiz, they get to learn about your hair color, texture, what you want to achieve, and then they even like will give you like a color chart of what you can actually achieve based on the hair color that you have. Because for example, if I have black hair and I want to achieve blonde hair, I cannot. Like it's a whole process, you know what I mean? So yeah, you can even talk to stylists. It's made to order, really excellent quality, and I have loved it for more than a decade. So yeah, the kit comes beautifully in a box and it's made to order. Like it's customized for your hair, like based on the quiz that you take. On top of that, you can even buy extra accessories like I did. I got a cape, I got like a timer, I got the clips to separate my hair because I feel like separating your hair when you color your hair is so important. And all the instructions are like in a whole like, you know, pamphlet for you, and it's customized. You can tell because it has your name, it has the formula, it has who made it for you, it has the date that it was made. So it's fresh. The moment you get it, like, you know, it hasn't been sitting on a shelf. It's made just for you, which I really like. So I went ahead and I followed the instructions. I colored my hair, sectioned everything off. Oh, I made to put the stain guard. I love that stain guard because the way I stain my ears especially, my gosh. And then after I went ahead and they even give you a little shampoo packet and a little conditioner packet, and then my hair was brand new. Like you can see the difference. It's super shiny. My hair is healthy. It is just lovely. So if you guys are interested in trying E-salon, you can get it for $10, your first order. $10 it's an incredible price. So click the link down below, check my info box to check out E-salon if it's your first order. It's $10. That's such a good price. My other favorites, I swore up and down that these yellow pillow slides that I bought from Amazon were the best. At least I thought. And then I bought these ones. Oh my gosh. These hot pink pillow slides, they're the ones that you can like adjust right here. They are way more comfortable than the yellow pillow slides that I thought were everything. So you have to try these pillow slides. Like it's such a good price. They're so bouncy. They're so comfortable. I travel with them, and then it's so easy to clean. I disinfect the bottom because it's so easy to wipe down. They're great for like house shoes. I actually wear them when I take my Pilates class because, you know, I end up wearing these types of socks to Pilates. I don't need shoes to work out in my Pilates class because like we're on this like machine thing, and you just need your grippy socks and that's all. So I will walk in with these, but I tell you, they're not all the same. So I'm going to give you the exact link to the one that I have because wow, I think the other yellow ones that I had were not it, but these, so comfy, so bouncy, the most comfortable slides. I want them to make like a like a whole shoe out of it, like, you know, like with the like it's so comfortable. I want like slip-on sneakers made out of like this cushion. Like, oh my gosh, It's amazing. And I know I mentioned this before, but I have to mention it again because I make salad jars once a week. And these little thingies have been helping out my eyeballs because when I tell you I cry, my eyes literally are tearing up when I cut onions. These are onion goggles. They're so amazing. They really work. And if you have regular goggles, do that. Do that. You know, you don't need to be buying this. If you have regular goggles, it's okay to put those things on while you're cutting onions, you know? But I think these are great too because like it's soft right here. It really does protect your eyes. Like it really makes a huge difference. Give it a try. My mother-in-law has it too, and she uses it for cutting up her onions. Like I think she's so amazing. Like she has really fun gadgets and I learned from her. And then I think I told Dee about it, so Dee actually gave this to me as a gift for my birthday. But I know she got it on Amazon because I think I sent her the link. I showed her and she ended up getting it for me. This is a lip gloss. Okay, I'm not saying that it's a dupe for another lip gloss like that I love because it really isn't. The taste, the flavor, the scent is not there, but the color, it is. This is called Champagne Cushion Cut Mineral Wear Diamond Plumper Lip Gloss. And it is by Physicians Formula. It looks like this. I have it on right now. That's all I have. It has like a cooling feeling when you initially put it on. And it smells like vanilla. It's not sticky. It's not thick. It's a perfect consistency. And the color, I just love it. And there's little shimmers. Like if you were to like go into a light and look at your lips, there would be tiny little shimmers, but you can't feel it. You know how like sometimes glosses with a little glitter, you can kind of feel that gritty texture? You can't feel that. It's so fine that you cannot feel the texture. But like I said, like even the packaging is gorgeous. It's such a good product. Definitely recommend. And you could find it at any drugstore that has Physicians Formula. And oh my gosh, so recently we went on a trip with our family. And there were a lot of mosquitoes. Like those mosquitoes were really just doing their thing. And I got bit by a mosquito on my leg and just like other parts of my leg. And this really works. It's called the bug bite thing. Again, another gem that my mother-in-law got me onto. And you just put it, like wherever you get a bite, you literally put it on. You follow the instructions and then you just pull it and it'll suck out whatever like the bug may have like put into you, like whatever, their poison or whatever. And then you pull it. It looks like a hickey at first, but it's because it sucked out all the gunk that makes you have a bump. Like for example, when I had a mosquito bite, I usually get like a really big bite and it gets itchy. You know, like that big bump, I mean, not a bite. Of course I got a bite, but then the bump is what causes the itchiness. Well, Sharon, she put it on me and she sucked out the gunk and I never got the big bump. And the itch, no. So crazy. Incredible. Like, so many people have reviewed this and it works really well. So if you live where, you get a lot of bug bites, or if you plan on going camping or going out of town or going somewhere where there are a lot of bugs and you know that, bring this with you. Because it will definitely make a huge difference. I'm just saying, add to cart on Amazon. I'll link it for you. And then, oh my gosh, so I go through a lot of vlogging cameras. I've been vlogging for like over 10 years. So I go through them quickly. And I've never felt like so legit until I got one of these things. You don't even have to be a vlogger to buy one of these things. But like the whole situation, like it's a tripod and everything. I will link what kind of camera this is. It's a Sony, and I'm not used to Sonys because even the one that I'm filming on is a Canon right now. But this Sony vlog camera is great. Like the audio, the quality is 4K. It takes forever to edit a 4K video because it's such a big file. But like the quality and the audio, because it has like this little puffy thing. And then on Amazon Prime Day, I don't know about you. Did you guys go shopping? Because I sure did. That pan, the Sage pan, is a non-stick pan. It's called Good For All. I've never even heard this pan, but it has really good reviews. I like it. It's a great non-stick pan. I use it to cook my eggs. I use it to cook. Oh, I made this green sauce one time with it. It was really good. But mainly it's my egg pan. Love to make my eggs in it. You can make pancakes. You can make spaghetti in it. You can do a lot of things with it because it's a thick pan. You can make sauces. You can even use this. You can bake in it. Like you can use this for a pan and put it in your oven and all the things. So yeah, I just thought I'd share. I sound like someone who doesn't know how to cook. I promise you I'll be cooking and baking. But the way I describe it, it's like, girl. Oh, and then I have to share this. So I have to share the story. So when we first moved to the Bay Area, we were going to the post office and there was this kind lady at the post office who was giving people cookie samples, okay? And the people at the post office were all like, oh, do you have a sample for me today? Because she loves to give her cookie samples, and it worked because Justin overheard that lady and her cookies, and Justin said to the lady, ma'am, I overheard that you sell cookies. I'd like to buy some cookies from you. And so I'm like, what's Justin doing? Like, I'm in the car with our kid in the back. I'm like, what's he doing? Like, talking to some random lady. She ended up not being a random lady. She ended up being someone that we absolutely love. Her name is Grandma Rhea. She makes the best cookies. The best. I cannot describe it because I've never tried a cookie like this in my whole entire life. But there's a potato chip inside the cookie. So it's like salty and sweet. And then my favorite of all time, it's called Christina's favorite chocolate chip. Oh my gosh. When I tell you, it has flour, sugar, butter, potato chips, vanilla extract, walnuts, and chocolate chips. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm coughing. I just got so excited. Oh my gosh, let me tell you about this water too. I don't know why, but Justin and I love hint water. Like, hint water just tastes so good. My favorite flavor is pineapple. I like the blackberry. I love the watermelon. Like, hint water just gets me drinking even more water because of the slight hint of flavor. I don't know about you, but I don't have a problem drinking my water. I drink a lot of water, but it just makes me even drink more. Like, the flavors are so good. And we also like to put it in our little mini fridge for our UPS drivers, FedEx, Amazon. Even our gardeners know to grab stuff in our little mini fridge. Like, I love that. I love that. Anyone can grab it. Neighborhood kids, if they're thirsty, they're on their way to school and, you know, they didn't have something to drink, go ahead, grab yourself some hint water. You know, like, I want it to be something available for, like, all the neighbors and just everyone that delivers. Oh, DoorDash, Uber Eats, you know, our cat sitter as well whenever we travel. I mean, she's free to anything in our fridge. Like, she knows that, but yeah. I just thought I'd share. Hint water is so good. Grandma Rhea's cookies, incredible. And the last thing that I wanted to share are APL shoes. I heard about them through my best friend, D Levine. She's a fitness content creator. Her passion is fitness, and she's my go-to when it comes to shoes. And she's also my go-to when it comes to, like, luxury purchases. But shoes, like, when it comes to, like, comfortable sneakers and things like that. And so she recommended APL. Like, sneakers, I have them in black, and I've been rocking them black ones everywhere I go. Those black ones are literally my travel shoes because you can slip them on and off because there's no shoelace. It's so easy to put the shoes on and off. I decided to get the white ones because I also, like, want a white version because when I travel, I don't only just wear black sometimes. I want, like, an all-white shoe, and I think, like, an all-white shoe is super clean and cute. So, yeah, these are it. I don't like these shoes for lifting, though, but it's not like I'm a hardcore lifter, to be honest. But I do be lifting. I do like them for, like, kickboxing. It's fun for kickboxing. But I would say these are just more like my everyday running errands, traveling, taking the boys to all their sports practices, going to their games. Very easy kind of shoes. They are pricey, but I don't mind spending money on shoes that I will literally wear all the time. These are also great for Pilates because I go to Pilates, I put my shoes on, and I slip them off and on so easily with my little grippy socks like I mentioned. So yeah, those are my favorites, friends. Definitely check them out. I will link everything down below. And most importantly, thank you so much to E-salon for sponsoring this video. I'm so honored because you guys know I stand E-salon, like 11 years strong with E-salon, my friends. And my hair, looking good, looking healthy. So definitely get yourself your first E-salon order for $10. Like $10, that's cheaper than the drugstore hair color kits. You want to know why? Because when I go to the drugstore and want to color my hair, I gotta buy 2 of them. I gotta buy 2 boxes. And 2 boxes is way more than a $10 like first time order, okay? So definitely click down below. Thank you, friends, for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Let me know what you guys want to see next time. I'm thinking a clean with me. Like, I'm itching to do a clean with me video. Yeah. Okay, friends. Bye.